My name is Kirsten and I'm the teacher.
And my name is Owen and I'm an athlete.
Slide of NWABA logo. Locomotor skill, skipping. Picture of polyspots, tactile map, tactile skipping diagram, artist's figurine.
And now we are going to learn the locomotor skill of skipping, which brings together our locomotor skills of hopping and leaping. I'm going to show Elwin our tactile diagram of skipping.
Use a tactile diagram along with an artist figurine to help demonstrate the movement.
I'm going to show you the artist's figurine. The left elbow is bent in a 90-degree angle. The right arm is straight and just casually behind. And so now our right knee is bent in hop driving to the chest. And then that foot lands. When they land, our feet are switching. So now our right elbow is bent. And so then what knee's driving to the chest?
Left knee.
Yes.
Use a tactile map to further demonstrate the movement.
I'm going to show you our tactile map with the push pins on cardboard. When we're skipping, we might not hit a poly spot every single time.
So it's like this one.
Yes, so it's similar to our push pins up on the top right-hand corner. You might have a skip or two in between each poly spot.
Okay.
But as long as you're hitting a poly spot every few skips, you know that you're skipping in a straight line.
After explaining the skill, encourage the athlete to try the new skill.
So when we're skipping, I have my left elbow is bent forward. I'm gonna keep my right elbow bent so that I'm always in a ready position to swing my arms, and my right elbow's back a little bit.
Okay.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go through it once and describe what I'm doing.
Got it.
And then you'll have a chance to mimic me. Our sequence is step, hop, step, hop. So right now my left elbow's bent and my arm is forward, and I have my right knee bent, and I'm going to take a step with my right foot and then hop and drive my left foot to my chest. And then I'm going to step with my left foot and hop my right foot to my right knee to my chest. So what I want you to do, I'm going to stand right in front of you. I've just knocked on the second poly spot, and what I want you to do, when I say go, you're just gonna take step, hop, and then stop. Step, hop, and then freeze. Nice job. I liked how you were always landing on that opposite foot. We're gonna spend just a minute adding the arms in as the next step in skipping.
Use the lollipop to pocket and step hop method to fully engage the athlete in skipping.
And when you're ready, you're going to take step hop and really drive those arms.
Okay.
All right. That looked really good.
Be patient. It may take several attempts for the athlete to fully grasp the skill.
As an athlete becomes more proficient with skipping, they can work on linking more and more skips together. They can work on following a predetermined path of poly spots, or they can follow an audible target while they are skipping along a path.
For more, visit the sports adaptations page at www.nwaba.org. Thank you for watching. Slide of NWABA logo.